जब से I've told you guys on this channel how I got my data analyst job in an MNC after doing a BSc degree in mathematics, I'm constantly getting these questions everywhere. On Instagram, on YouTube. Which course did I do years back? What is the best course right now to pursue? What is the best way of finding a job in today's market in the data world, specifically if you're not from a very fancy college? And if you too are curious, please watch this video till the end. Hi everyone, my name is Ayushi. I did my bachelor's and master's BSc MSc degree in mathematics from DU, and currently I'm working as a senior data analyst that you'll find from Instagram. Okay, let's cut to the chase. After class 12, we are often confused what to do next, what to actually go for. कोर्स का लगता है हमें कि क्या बीएससी करना सही रहेगा, जॉब मिलेगी बीएससी के बाद, सिर्फ बीएससी करना सही रहेगा. हमें कॉलेज का भी लगता है कि कौन सा सीयूईटी का कॉलेज हमारे लिए बेस्ट रहेगा, एंड हमें जॉब का भी लगता है कि आज के टाइम पे क्या चीज एक्चुअली हमें जॉब दिलवाएगी. तो गाइस, जॉब के लिए स्किल्स चाहिए, स्किल्स के लिए ट्रेनिंग चाहिए, एंड बीट एआई, डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, मशीन लर्निंग, कोडिंग, मसई स्कूल का नाम टॉप पे आता है हमेशा. देखो, होता ये है कि आफ्टर 12th लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दे गो फॉर ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेज जैसे कि बीएससी, बीकॉम, बीए जैसी डिग्रीज, एंड दे जस्ट डू दोज डिग्रीज ड्यूरिंग दोज 3 years thinking कि हमें डिग्री से जॉब मिल जाएगी, and after 3 years we will have a good job. When they graduate they get the question कि skills का है, placements कैसे मिलेंगी. And that's exactly where platforms like Masai School are trying to change the game. So in today's video we are going to discuss in detail about Masai School. What is Masai School, whether you should consider joining it, what are the courses, what are the things that it is offering, who all are eligible to apply for it, when can they apply for it, and whether it is worth it or not. Masai School is an online career school focused on getting you job ready. And no, it is not like any other regular course ka platform, because they have already trained 40,000 plus students. Now their whole model is outcome driven, which means you're not just learning theory, but you're also learning those skills that companies are actually hiring for today. Programs की बात करें तो they offer multiple programs in different domains, be it tech, marketing or management. Tech में you have programs of AI, ML, data science, data analytics, software engineering, cyber security भी है. Product में you have business analytics, product management, supply chain management, entrepreneurship, fintech as well. And in marketing, SEO, digital marketing, growth marketing, AI automation as well. Coming on to who can actually join these programs, so you do not need a fancy college का background to join these programs. In fact, most of these programs just require you to be a 12th pass out. So आप इन courses में किसी भी time frame में enroll कर सकते हो, after 12th, during the final year of bachelor's, after masters, कभी भी. You want to know whether it's worth it? Okay, let's compare this with a typical BSc की journey, because whatever I have lived. एक typical BSc में क्या होता है? सबसे पहले तो there is a lot of theory. It is very theoretical, so you don't acquire those skills which are required जो companies मांगती है corporate job में. Agree? उसके बाद there is less industry exposure, तो आपकी placements as such secure नहीं होती. There is no guarantee of you getting a job right after doing a BSc degree. And thirdly, placements highly dependent होती है college पे. अगर आपका campus placement हो गया कोई अच्छे college में, you got an admission, then it's good. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Whereas if you involve platforms like Masai School, they add on these following things: industry focused curriculum होगा, real projects करने को मिलेंगे, and career coaching भी मिलेगी. Also, they've partnered with institutes like IITs, IIMs, XLRI, PwC Academy, which adds the credibility to the programs, and इन्होंने global level पे भी partner किया है. And if we talk about the placements, Masai claims strong outcomes with students placed in companies like Ola, Capgemini, Swiggy, etc. Also guys, as per data in 2023, they have placed thousands of learners with an average package in the range of around 6.1 LPA, which is good. Okay, let me make this easier for you by answering this one most common question, which is this worth it? Should we go for this? So guys, very honestly speaking, it's no magic. They have a lot to offer, but it is you still need to put in a lot of effort. They will guide you, but you have to build the projects, you have to stay consistent. So consider this as a structured path and not a shortcut. Also, I'll suggest you to read the testimonials by students, and I found one of them. You can just read it here. Now, while I was going through their website, there's one thing that really stood out to me, which is that they offered their courses in various regional languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, which is a big deal because for many students, language is a big barrier. Also, I see that their courses are priced lower as compared to majority of the executive programs like this, which just makes me think that they're trying to make educational much accessible. So yeah, this was Masai School. Now comes the question, is this the right thing for you to do right now? If the answer to these 3 questions is a yes, then you should definitely go or consider Masai. Your priority is getting job ready fast. You want practical skills. You're okay with intensive learning. So yes guys, this was all from my side. If you are also looking for career options, beyond just the degrees, then definitely explore this option. Do your own research as well. मैंने लिंक डाल दिया डिस्क्रिप्शन में, एक बार जाकर आप प्लीज चेकआउट जरूर करना एंड थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करना, देखना whether it fits you, whether it suits you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this, you find it helpful, and we'll connect on Instagram at this particular handle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.